I'm gonna draw a little portrait of myself. The little smile. This color just me. Hi everyone, welcome, and today we are going to be making slime. So what you will need to make slime is one bowl, and you need some glue, and of course, activator. I'm using some measuring cups so I can know the perfect amount, and just a little bit of lotion, and of course your bowl and something to mix with. Now let's get started. So what you're gonna add in first is your glue. I'm using Elmer's glue. So I'm not sure how much should I add in.
I think you don't need to use that measuring cup. You just open that thing.
Oh, it's hard.
Let me open. Do you need help?
Yes, please. All right, now that my mom opened it for me, we just added in. Is that enough?
More. Just half of it.
Half of it? Wow.
Some more. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now that we have our glue inside the bowl, looking fabulous, now we're gonna mix it up, right?
You add first the stuff.
Oops. Then we're gonna add some of our magical liquid / activator, of course. Glue and activator is the most important part. Oh, putting it inside the cup.
Why don't you just go put straight?
I'm adding a teaspoon by teaspoon, little by little, so I can see what the perfect amount is. Ooh.
So why did you put a lot in there?
I don't know. Can you add it in?
Just add it. You can do that.
I'm trying to see what the perfect amount is for this slime. We used to make a lot of slime in Bangkok, Thailand. I need more. The activator before is strong.
You can put some add-ons. What add-ons are you gonna put?
Probably paint, like some colors.
Why paint?
Huh?
Why paint? Why not those?
Do we have any add-ons?
I don't know.
Ooh, look at that. It's like milk. It's so cool. Can I try mixing it with my hands?
Try.
Now that it's all nice and stretchy and stuff like that, now you can add your little lotion. Only a little though. I'm only gonna add a little because this is my mom's. Oops. Oops. That went everywhere. There. And then just mix it into your slime. This helps make the slime just like more stretchy and just like more fun. Okay, let's listen. This is really nice, the slime. But I thought it was gonna be much more bigger. This is the bowl. Maybe I can get some of the slime out of the bowl. It's just a little bit too sticky. It's just a little sticky. And we actually added a little bit of baking soda, so it's not sticky that much. Yeah, I forgot to show that. Okay, that is nice. So let's listen. Okay, the slime is really nice to play with. And now we're gonna see if I can add in some add-ons. Oops, I didn't show it in the camera. Let me just... I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can. This is really fun to play with. Now I'm gonna go check if I have some add-ons. So I put these little marker dots in. Now we're gonna try to mix it because that's the color I want. Oh, you can't see it because it's only a little. Some people just do this. They get whatever color they want and just draw it around the slime. So let's try that. Yeah, I don't know why people do this. But don't worry, my highlighter still works. So yeah. I wanted to try to be like a glow-in-the-dark color. It looks like it's glow-in-the-dark, but it's like not. That would be so fun if it was actually glow-in-the-dark. I could just play in the dark. So it's not, you cannot really see it, you guys, but yeah, it's not that noticeable. Don't worry, your highlighter or whatever marker you're using will still work, even if you do this. Ooh, I'm gonna draw a little portrait of myself. The little smile. Oops, oh sorry, I drew it sideways since it's facing me and it's not facing you guys. Sorry about that. Look how nice that is. Ooh, now I can draw a smiley. Am I the only one? This looks like a guitar. Lol. Okay, look how nice that is. Ooh, my god, this is so nice. Okay, so I really want it to be this color because look how gorgeous it will be. Okay, now the color is kind of coming through. Do you guys see the color a little? Oh, it cannot really be seen on camera, but in real life, the cat. Can you see it? Yeah, it's now, in real life, it's a really nice light mint color, but I'm gonna try to add more so you guys can see it. It looks white on the camera, wow. Mix it. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it a little. I hope you guys can see it. But in the camera, it's not that seeable. But in real life, it's a gorgeous mint color. I hope that there's some add-ons still in the house. I'm adding more so you guys can see it. But in real life, it's this really nice, gorgeous mint color. It's one of my favorite colors. It's still working. Oh, look how stretchy. It's kind of coming through. If I go close, you guys can see it. But when I go far, it looks like white. But it's a really gorgeous color, trust me. Why does it look so white in the camera? Okay, now that it's kind of getting hard, now the lotion is where it comes true. Even though you added a little already. Oop. Add that back. I'm joking. Why would I add that back? That's a little too much. Oh, I can use this for my body too. Nice. Okay, now that it's this gorgeous color, I'm going to see if there's any, wait, here so you guys can see it. Now I'm gonna see if there is any add-ons in the house. Be right back. Turns out there is some add-ons in the house, and I chose these sprinkles. So it can be like a mint ice cream. Let's add some. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like melted ice cream. Okay, now let's be for real. This is so beautiful. Okay, that should be enough. I'm so sad to mix this, but I gotta do it. You cannot really see it that much. Where did the sprinkles go? Okay, let's add a little more because you cannot see any of the sprinkles. By the way, these sprinkles are so beautiful. Oh, that's it. Because we also need those for nano tape. Bubbles. Now that is so nice. Mint ice cream, anyone? Let's just put back the activated cap because I forgot to do that. Okay, oh, that is so pretty. That was only one. Here's what it looks like. You can see the little sprinkles. I'm gonna see if there's any more add-ons. Be right back. Alrighty, I'm back and I got some stars. These are so cute. Oh, that was too much. Stars and sprinkles. Goodbye. Where did the stars go? All I can see are the sprinkles. The stars and the sprinkles just make the slime a million times better. Now the slime is much better than before. Before it was super duper sticky. Now it's just perfect. Now let's try to make some noise with the slime / satisfying noise. Okay. Oh, sorry, my hand is covering the camera. I'm not going to be showing you the camera just yet. Okay, now I am. That was so satisfying. Oh, I'm standing up, so I'm gonna sit down. There. This is so nice. I love this slime. I just feel like there's something missing. Let's go see if there's something missing with the slime. What's missing? Of course it needs a container. It's not that dry, so let's get some tissue. Oop, I got the wrong piece. Okay, got some tissue to dry out my container for this wonderful slime. I'm not sure if it can fit, but I hope it will. Yes, it fits. Just gotta push it and close it back up. And there's this gorgeous slime. But now we have to decorate the container. Look what I got. I got some stickers so I can decorate this, the container, because it's so boring. So let's add something. Let's choose. I'm just picking out something. I know. This is perfect. Green stickers for green slime. Nice. Let's see which one is good. I like this one. It's like it's eating, and this is like ice cream. Oh! Let's put it. Where should we put it? I'm gonna put it right here. Oopsies. Wait. I'm gonna put it here since. There we go. That's so pretty. Let's add some more. These stickers are so cute. And this bread is adorable. Let's get that. That's so cute. Now, I feel like I just want to eat that. Oh, and I'm obsessed with this cloud. Gotta add that. Oh, it fell. This is so cute. Let's add it right on top. Right here. That is so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it so much. Now, let's check if there's any more. I'm just checking while I'm packing up the stickers. This bear is so cute. These bears are adorable. I like. What? Okay. And this one. Okay, everyone. And what is this one? I just finished off the what is it called? I forgot what this is called. Container. There we go. I just finished it off, so I put this little bear and cute stickers on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys can use this slime recipe at home if you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Have an amazing day. Bye. And I'll see you in the next one.